Hello everyone. This video is a supplement to help students who either weren't in class when we started this project or need a refresher. So first of all, this is the third and final performance task for this quarter, OEU 3 Mod C, and it is culminating or bringing together all of the things that we've done this year and the constitutional concepts we've discussed this quarter. So you wrote your essay, you did your speech, and now you're going to create an online argumentative discussion using all of the apps we've learned, all of the skills, all the rhetoric, everything you can bring together. There are 4 minimum requirements. There is no rubric for this project because I want you to go your own direction, your own way, but you must have 4 fundamental things. First of all, you have to start with an inquiry question. This question needs to be complex in the sense that it gives your audience an opportunity to disagree with you, to argue. Even if your audience agrees with the core of your argument, let's say you're focusing on the Second Amendment right to bear arms, you need to make sure there are things to discuss. For example, what are the limits of the right to bear arms? What are the responsibilities that go along with the right to bear arms? What are the changes that need to occur considering the increase in global population and a lot of the issues or problems that we've had lately with mass shootings? These things cannot be disregarded. It's the purpose of this project to create a complex question that can be explored. The second thing you have to have is the platform, which is Blogger. We'll be using your blog to bring all this information together. This is where you will invite people to go. You might contact them through Facebook or Twitter or email, but you need to get them to go to your blog in some way, shape, or form. I don't want to tell you exactly how you have to do it, but the simplest way is to get people to go there and answer questions. So on that blog, the third essential component is either an essay or a speech. This is where you share your view. This is where you share your opinion, backed up by research, facts, data. You must have logos. You must use this rhetorical tool. Now, you can start with the speech or the essay you used before, but they need to be made accessible to a general audience, so it has to be informal. Remember, informal does not mean poorly done. It means less formal. So make it accessible, but it still needs to have a high level of quality. Now, you can do both an essay and a speech, but you only have to do one. Your work in this whole thing is to connect. The last thing you're going to do, the 4th required element, is to post your results. So in order to have data results, you need to organize that information. Therefore, it is required that you use Google Forms. If you already know how to create a Google form and attach that data into a spreadsheet automatically, then you're all set. If not, we will be covering it in class and I can review it with you individually. These 4 elements are required. After that, you go as far as you want to go. You gather as much information and detail as you think is necessary for your objectives. But remember, the number 1 goal is to connect and to craft and create an argumentative discussion. It is your job to get intelligent people to come to your blog to participate in this discussion. You already have all the information you need. You don't really need to do that much more research. But you can switch topics if you want to. But what you must do is connect. Good luck. Come and talk to me or email me if you have any questions.